Hi friends, so this video shows how to install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu. Just search for Visual Studio Code, then click on this link, then you will get a window like this. Here you can see you can download .deb and .rpm packages. The .deb package, if you are using Ubuntu or Debian or Linux Mint, you can use this .deb package. Just click on this and download, save this file. You can see the size of this file is 46.4 MB. So I already downloaded this file. Let me cancel it. Here you can see the file. This is a file which I downloaded. So there is two options. Option 1, you can right click on this file and select open with software install, and you can install Visual Studio Code in this OS. That is the one option. Option 2, you can just go to the path where you downloaded this .deb file. So in my case, this is the path. Then from here you can just run this command sudo dpkg -i, then name of the file. So this way we can install this Visual Studio Code using this downloaded .deb file. Enter the password. Now you can see it's unpacking code. Okay, you can see the installation has completed. Now just click on these activities, then search for code. You can see Visual Studio Code here. Click on that. Okay, now we have successfully installed Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu. So let me check the version. Click on help, then click on about. So I have installed 1.33.1. Click on OK. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment. So I will create another video about how we can use this Visual Studio Code to develop Python application, Go application, C, C++, and Java. So all those videos I am planning to create. So please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.